in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me who the heck you would think I am. And just
Have you come here for forgiveness? Have you come to raise the dead? Have you come here to play Jesus to the lepers in your head? Well, did I ask too much? More than a lot. You gave me nothing, now it's all I got. We're one, but we're not the same. See, we had each other, then we do it again. You say, love is the
oh,
Here we go, like the time in school when we got free lunch and the cool kids beat us up, and the rich kids had convertibles and we had to ride the bus. Like the time we made the baseball team but they still laughed at us. Like the time that girl broke up with me cause I wasn't cool enough. Trick things, things. Here we go, the little things, they always hang around. The little things, they try to break me down. The little things, they just won't go away. The little things, make me who I am today. Go! You wanna hate me now, but I won't stop.
I wanna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their need? A son's disregard